We started out our day by leaving home at, what time, 7:30?
7:30, quarter to 8.
Yeah, it was closer to 7:45. And our goal was to go to a new restaurant in Rib Mountain called ERA Pancakes and Cafe.
Yeah, I think so, yes. It's open till 2 o'clock. It's just morning and lunch hours.
Yeah, so it's just I'm not sure when it opened either. Just recently?
No, it's been open for a couple years, I think, now.
Couple years? I didn't know that. So I don't know, but we didn't know what to expect, although we did see some photos online about it. And I decided to order the crepes, which is something I never order. And it was loaded with berries on top, just huge blackberries and raspberries and strawberries, blueberries, and the whipping cream and a glaze. And I'll show you the photo. You'll see that.
Yeah, and I had this pancake and eggs, and I had 2 pancakes and 2 eggs. 1 pancake was more than enough. It was really sweet. It was just a nice texture to it. I got to be able to take one home, and she's taking.
Yeah, we do have some leftover.
So it's quite a large portions, at least for us it was.
But mine was actually topped with an edible flower. I just thought that was so special, and we were glad we stopped there. It was really nice.
And now we're going to continue on towards the tower up here on top of Granite Peak.
Yeah, we'll let you see that when we get there. Okay, yeah, we drove a little further up now, so this is another stopping point. So I'll show you the view here. We came up that road and we're heading further up Rib Mountain over there. Looks like they could almost repaint this deck. Yeah, it's quite worn. So, okay, now this view is pretty similar to the first pictures I took, but you can see it's more of a cloudy day. We had some rain on our way here to Wausau. I think the rain is over and it'll just be cloudy all day. And the temperature was in the 40s this morning. And like the photos I took before, this is the downtown, closer to the downtown area. Not really. It's not really. It's
51 point on energy.
Yeah, that's the highways. So, but you can see the golf course. at the base of Rib Mountain. Downtown is way over there behind, yeah. So, okay, we're gonna keep on going further up, and then I'll show you when we get there. I wanted to show you the map of the Granite Peak ski area. It's showing the different trails, and here is the distances to each one. So, okay, so here's the observation tower.
It's here.
Are we here?
Yeah.
We're at that parking lot.
So Rib Mountain
So
not
we-
only stretches approximately 700 feet into the air, but also down. Geologists estimate that quartzite slab that makes Rib Mountain reaches down into the ground another 4,000 feet.
Okay, this is where we started from. And we came up here. I don't know how many steps up it is. Okay, I'll start over here. That's facing Mosinee. This is facing west. board. Okay, so this platform up here is in a square. So I walked you right around it. And now we'll head back down again. This is really a big place. Now this is the store. We enter on in that door there, and this building is quite large. But then across the street, this is the entire factory. So I'm walking out to the road. Now Mullen's cheeses, we went through Mosinee, and this is in Knowlton. But this is the entire operation here. We have big trucks.
After leaving the cheese shop there, we took a route that took us across Lake Dubé on Highway C, going east.
And then on our way home, I just took a few photos out of the car window as we're driving along. And this is a fence made with bottles and a beautiful Halloween display. And then we were surprised to see these cattle so close to the road. Our next stop was in Anawa. This is Pleasant Lake, Anawa. Right here where we're standing, it's a little place where you can take a canoe or kayak out. Do you think this is no motors? It's probably no motors here. But it's bigger than I thought because it goes all the way over there. I can't show you. I'll have to walk over there. Oh, Libby. Clean? Oh, okay.
Clean.
Looks muddy. So I wonder what kind of fish are in here. I think does she hear something or see something? Come here, Libby. Come here. Yeah, so there's a little parking lot here. There's another, well, I would say it's a retaining pond over here. And then the ballpark. But the lake goes there, yeah, you can see it. The Orioles and nice little playground. What does that say on the roof? Oh, and yeah, I mean, for a little village of Anawa, that's pretty nice.